A lot of time people ask if we have to make some changes in Power BI data, can we do that? Now, answer is yes. So, for example, if I'm uploading an Excel by the name tax customers, okay. So let's try to upload the data first. I'll click on open button and then I'll click on this checkbox. Now, all of a sudden, I realized that, oh, this Karnataka state has to be updated with Sikkim. What to do next? The next thing that you people have to do here is on the bottom, you have to click on transform data. Okay. Now, the moment you click on transform data, a Power Query editor window will open. Okay. And the next thing that you have to do here is go to the state column, right click on Karnataka, click on replace value, and replace Karnataka with Sikkim, and then click OK. Now, what will happen? All the state who were previously reflecting as Karnataka has now been updated to Sikkim. And once you do that, then you have to click on home on the left hand side and then click on close and apply. Then what will happen? The data will be further loaded for the visualization, and you can make a further graphical representation or dashboard out of it. Okay. In my upcoming videos, I will be going more in depth about the data transformation, the data visualization, and other important aspects. Thank you so much.